everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a test with three of the most popular brands of vacuum cleaners, which is Dyson, Shark, and Hoover. So, this is my first anniversary of my channel, so that is the reason I'm doing this test. And we need to mention the names of these vacuum cleaners. So this is the Dyson V6 card-free origin, and this is the Shark Powered Lift Away Deluxe, and over here on the end is the Hoover Wind Tunnel Max. So, this is a stick vac, of course, and these are both uprights. So the reason I'm holding this Dyson V6 here is because it won't stay upright, and that's not because of me reclining it, putting it back up so much. It came like that. It must be supposed to be like that. So, but I'm not bothered. I just need to lay it down when I'm storing it or something. So we need to make these turn into shreds. So I'm going to set this thing down here and clap my hands and then point to make them turn into shreds. So I made the Dyson paper turn into shreds. So now I just need to point at this pink paper to make it turn into shreds. So now I turned the Dyson paper and the Shark Powered Lift Away with the Shark Powered Lift Away Deluxe. I've turned that paper into shreds. So now, of course, I need to turn this paper into shreds. So now I turned all three colors into shreds. So then all I need to do is get my earmuffs. So I'm just going to pause the video to get my earmuffs. So I've got my earmuffs on, and now I'm going to use this Dyson V6 card-free origin to clean up all of the blue paper shreds. So, on your mark, get set, go. Pretty good, but because there's no agitation really, so we can put that one right there while we go to the Shark Powered Lift Away the Shark Powered Lift Away Deluxe. So let's see if this one does any better. So far, between the Dyson and the Shark has done better, because I don't think you can see, or maybe you could, but there's a lot better agitation with this Shark. But we gotta make sure the Hoover doesn't win to make the Shark win. And the brush will might be off, but anyways. question, but this did. So I'm going to give this one to be the winner. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.